Morning everybody. Just wanted to go and show you my everbearing mulberry. This is a pretty fast growing tree. I mean, it was in less than a year. It's pretty much like 12 feet, 13 feet tall. So it's growing really fast. Now it has fruits here, so let me show you. They turn red, and then when they turn black, you can pick them and eat them. And they taste pretty good. Now, couple of tips on the mulberry. I've let this one grow a little bit. Been kind of busy. Also wanted it to develop a good, strong root system. Now I'm going to trim it back because you're going to get a lot of the fruiting you're going to get on the new growth. If you prune it, you're going to get a lot of flowering on the new growth on the tree. The other thing is, it's easy to propagate. You can just do it from cuttings. So if you don't want to do it from like this that are skinny and young, they're new. You don't want to do it on these. You want to do it more on the ones that are a little older, like this. What you can do is take like a foot of that, and you go ahead and on the top, you see where you have the different nodules here on the tree. So for the top, you cut midway between one nodule and the other nodule. You cut there, and that'll be your top. And then on the bottom, you cut at an angle, and you bury that in the dirt in your pot. You can grow it directly on the ground, but I suggest you put it in a pot, and you can do various ones. A few might not take, but most of them will. And then you wait for it to develop a root system, start showing leaves and new growth, and then you can transplant it, and you have yourself a new tree. And it doesn't cost you anything. So it's a very nice tree. It's a strong tree. It grows pretty fast, gives you a lot of fruit. I haven't had any issues with pests or anything like that, so I think it's a pretty nice addition to your food forest or your fruit orchard or anywhere. There's another little fruit right there. Okay everybody, thanks for watching.